Yep, just finished a 12-hour shift this morning. Just thought I'd come out for a walk, have a look at the beautiful scenery. Good crisp air. Also come out to check out my bloody Achilles, you know, to see if she's alright, so I can start going on my long walks again. Gonna shoot off home, have a couple of hours sleep. I'm meant to be going to see Bro and his missus takeaways, and they got mutton bird on the menu for today. So yeah, see if I can catch up with them later on. Awesome, man. The Puha and pork was choice.
Oh, thank you.
I need to book an
Mutton bird boiler.
mutton bird for tomorrow. I'll have a half a mutton bird, eh? Jeez, sure you're not ripping yourselves off.
Eh?
Sure you're not ripping yourselves off.
You can always shout us. Love your videos, bro. Love your videos. Love your videos, bro.
Full, I went and stayed too long. Now I wonder if your love's still strong. Ooh, baby, here I am, time still delivered. I'm yours. Yeah. And that time I went and said goodbye. Now I'm back and not ashamed to cry. Ooh, baby, here I am, time still delivered. I'm yours. Say here I am, baby, on time still delivered. I'm yours.
Mutton bird team with good company.